Alright, mates. I just got my autograph here from Thomas Wynn. I got the win, yes. From Fina Pirate Princess. Of course, I go to get some more autographs of that, eh? Here's some of the artist alley. Right, it's right up my alley, eh? Hello there, dear. Cosplayers, yes. Lots of cosplayers. Little plushies. So this is just a small sampling of many things you can buy here. Right. Oh, you some gaming equipment. You go get your Pathfinder on. Right. Oh, fan art. Hi, look. Tails. Ooh. So, if you've ever been watching my videos and thought, you know, I'd really like to be a furry. Oh, yes, you can. They can hook you up right now. You can get yourself a Turby Cat for only 1,800. That's it. Not a big deal, right? You get lots of colors of tails, and this fine person here will be happy to give you your furry stuff for money. They don't do it for free. And there's no 5 discount, so we're all furries there. We know the deal. Alright, so like and subscribe. What's the name of your booth here?
Narita Correa.
Hi, fantastic.
Got card with my website on it.
Awesome, jolly good. Alright, everyone, please patronize her. Okay. Pirate, horror. Ooh, cool posters. 2 swords. Ooh, nice sword, eh? Plushies. Yes, Sonic. Loads and loads of stuff. Oh, this stuff below here. Flags. More swords. More swords, yes. Hello there, dear star girl. Hi there. Well, I could probably spend 10 minutes here to get all this stuff. But I'm hungry. I'm gonna go eat the food somewhere. Probably Subway. More books. Anyone wants a manga? They got the manga here. T-shirts. More pops. By the way, a lot of the celebrities will actually charge you extra for signing Funko Pops, so keep that in mind, eh? Oh, cool. And the Spidey. Yeah, how? Hi, there's another furry. Hello there.
Okay, hold on. I know.
Coffee. Alright, so there's much more here to see, including whatever this critter is. Hello there. Okie dokie, go like and subscribe. Stay foxy.